Hello everyone and welcome back again to another fresh video of Faster Talks. I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So guys, in today's video we are going to talk about Cognizant off-campus drive. You can apply for this job role. I will tell everything. First of all, I will tell you eligibility criteria, roles and responsibility, how to apply. There are total two job roles from Cognizant. So I will tell you everything and how to apply. I will tell you everything. So keep watching the video till the end to know all the information. Here you can see on the screen there is my YouTube channel. You can see various off-campus drive internship opportunity on my YouTube channel. So you can subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the regular update. Okay. So we see the Cognizant job. Here you can see on the screen. Job is provided by mcat.com Cognizant. So here you can see Cognizant Art and Science off-campus recruitment drive. Okay. So here is the recruitment drive for art and science students, and here you can see 2019 and 2020 pass out batch students can only apply for this. No other students can apply for this. Okay, so here you can see the test and interview process will be conducted virtually due to the ongoing COVID-19 crisis. So everything will be going to be online, so no need to worry. You can sit at your home and give the exam. Okay, interview process and test both. Okay, only candidates who meet all the eligibility criteria should apply for this opportunity. So below there is eligibility criteria. I will discuss the eligibility criteria with you, and if you are eligible for this job role, then only you have to apply. If you are not eligible, please don't apply for this job role. Okay, here you can see Cognizant Art and Science off campus recruitment. First job is, here you can see role 1, IT programmer trainee. So first job role is for IT programmer trainee, and here you can see 2019 and 20 pass out batch can apply of BCA, BSc IT, computer science, computer technology, mathematics, physics, chemistry, statistics. PG course are not eligible. So here you can see, if you are undergraduate student from BCA and BSc, here are the branches from BSc, IT, computer science, computer technology, mathematics, physics, and chemistry. If you are eligible, you can apply for this job role. And the consistent academic record of minimum of 50% in 10th, 12th, and diploma and UG. Okay, so here you can see 50% is required. So if you 50%, if you have more than 50%, you can apply for the job role. No standing areas in current situation, so there must be no backlogs. Maximum 2 year of gap in education, open to internationals only. Okay, flexible to relocate to any location in India, work in any shift and domain. So you must be flexible to relocate. And here you can see designation programmer trainee job role. Initial compensation 2.5 LPA. So it is an amazing salary for you. Selection process is online assessment for eligible candidate and virtual interview. Okay, so here you can see job description. You can read this out. Requirement analysis, high level design, minor coding changes, unit testing and documentation and closure, and much more. You can read out this section. Okay, let's talk about second job role. Role 2 is CIS graduate trainee. Okay, so CIS graduate trainee, eligibility criteria is all arts and science UG courses from batch 2019 and 2020. Okay, so you are a science student or art student, then you can apply for this. But PG courses are not allowed. 50% academic record same. Okay, no backlogs, maximum 2 years of gap, open to internationals only, and the salary is same, 2.52 LPA. Designation is graduate trainee. Okay, same selection process. Here is job description also. You can read this out. Simply here you can see register now button at the bottom of the page. Simply click on this button. If you click, you will get to see this page. Okay, so here is the application form. You have to fill up this application form. First of all, you have to select the role. If I select CIS graduate trainee, fill up all your details like first name, last name, mobile, email address, gender, email address, then 10th passing year, 10th percentage, 12th passing year, 12th percentage, and all your education details you have to fill out. Okay, here you can see your pass out batch, college name, college city, and everything you have to select. Okay, now here you can see highest graduation degree. So there are highest graduation degree you can select, and specialization you can select IT, computer science, or anything. Okay, are you eligible to relocate and flexible timing related question? You can fill all these details and submit. Okay, once you submit, your form is submitted. So no need to worry. Cognizant will get back to you on email ID. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and please hit the subscribe button also, so you will get the latest notification of from our channel. Okay, thank you.